Dạ. Con lại lấy cái quyển nào mà con lấy ra con cắt cái con xé cái này nữa. Con cắt xé đâu? Đây. Cái quyển đấy là quyển nháp. Nháp thì đâu có nháp cái gì ở đây đâu. Quyển quyển đấy
Hi, Dot.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello mà không nghe thấy cô nói gì cứ ngồi yên là sao? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How about me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, how are you, Dot?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine too. Oh, why are you coughing? Are you sick?
No.
Okay, is it still cold in Vietnam?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Okay, so how was your day, Duke?
Huh?
How was your day today?
It's great. Great thing.
It's great. Okay, what did you do the whole day today?
Huh? Huh?
What did you do today, this day?
I read, I write, and learn. I huh?
Read book, read phải là read book chứ.
Read book.
Okay.
Write là viết.
Viết nhưng mà viết cái gì?
Cái trên lớp viết.
Okay, very good. Okay, so anyway, Duke, tonight, you're having a new lesson, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin now. Okay, wait a minute, Duke. Have you seen the picture that I sent?
13 gone. Coming and going.
Okay, very good. So our lesson for tonight will be coming and going. Okay, so we have here new words for transport. All right, so what do you think is the first picture, Duke?
It is bikes.
Okay, it's a bike. All right, so how many wheels does a bike have?
Yes.
How many wheels has the bike got?
I have got 2 bikes.
2?
Bikes.
Yeah, I'm asking how many wheels does the bicycle have?
Huh?
How many wheels? Can you count it?
1, 2.
How many?
1.
Okay, wait a minute. How many?
2.
1 and 2. Okay, so there are 2 wheels in a bicycle. Okay, so you said that you have 2 bicycles, right? You have 2 bicycles at home?
Huh?
You have 2 bikes at home? How many bikes do you have?
Bike.
Yes? Oh, how many bikes do you have?
I have 2 bikes.
Wow, you have 2 bikes. Okay. So next one, Duke. What do you call this picture?
It's a motorcycle.
Yes, motorbike or motorcycle. Now, how many wheels does it have?
Huh?
How many wheels does it have?
2.
Okay, very good. 2 wheels also. So, do you have a motorbike at home?
Yeah.
Wow. How many motorbike do you have?
1.
1. Oh,
2.
you have 2 motorbike too?
Yes.
Okay, and then what do you call this one? Who uses the motorbike?
See, mate.
Yeah, who? Who drives the motorbike?
Huh? My mom.
Your mom. Okay, your mom knows how to drive.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So next one, what is this?
Car.
What's that?
This car.
A car. Okay, very good. So, what is the color of the car?
It is a red. It is red.
Okay, very good. It's color red. All right. So next one, how about this, Duck?
It is a truck.
That is a truck. Okay, very good. Lorry or truck. Okay. So, what do you call this one? What do you think is the use of a truck?
Huh?
What is the use of a truck?
6.
Yeah, 6. But what is the use of a truck?
I don't know.
So, um, so the use of a truck is to carry heavy equipment or things, okay? Okay, so next one, Duke, what is this?
It is helicopter.
Helicopter, okay. So what's the color of the helicopter?
It is red.
It is? What is the color?
Red.
Okay, very good. It's color red. Okay, so now let's have the first activity, Duke. Letter A, look at the picture, look at the letters, and write the words. All right, so look at here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types of vehicles, okay, or transportation. Okay, so number 1 is an example. Oh, there's an example, okay? The first word is a car, okay? How about number 1? What word do you think is this? Finish? Okay. Very good. So the letters are B-E-K-I. So the word is bike. Very good. Joke number 2. N N-P-E-L-A. What do you think is this word?
Oh no.
Oh, are you finished?
No.
What is that word? Are you writing?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you spell plane? N-P-E-L-A.
Plane. Plane. Plane.
How do you spell it?
Plane.
Okay, one last letter. Okay, plain. How about number 3? Loyrr. What is this word? Okay, Lori, how about number 4? RTOBIKMEO.
I read. I read.
Okay, you will read? Okay, what is this?
Motorbike.
Okay.
Motorbike.
Okay, motorbike is correct. Number 5. What is this picture?
Helicopter.
All right, helicopter is correct. All right, 5 points for you, Duke. Okay, very good because you know all the kinds of transport. Okay, now let's have letter B. What does Sue smile drive? Fly or ride? Okay, so look at the picture, Duke. This is Sue Smile. She loves flying, riding, and driving. What do you think is she flying, Duke?
Helicopter.
Yes, a helicopter. So, what does she fly? So, answer is helicopter. Next one. What does Sue drive? What is she driving?
Helicopter.
Okay, a helicopter is the answer. Okay, so can you read this one, Duke? Sue Smile drives her.
Sue Smile driving her a car, a lorry. She fills her a helicopter, a plane, and she loves riding her a motorbike.
Okay, very good. All right, so now let's have this part. Okay, take note. Present simple, okay? Present simple. I, you, we, they plus verb, information plus O. So the next one is she, he, it plus verb plus O. Example, subject plus love plus verb ing plus O. Example, I love playing football. Okay, so can you make an example of a sentence like this one, Duke? Make a sentence using this format.
I don't understand.
This one, Duke. Oh, I explained it. Subject plus love plus verb plus object. So example, subject is I. Love. The verb ing is playing and object is football.
See, see, see playing football.
You have to put love.
Verbs. Oh,
Okay, you always put the word love. Okay, let's try one more time.
yes.
Oh, you try again.
See playing football.
Oh, where is the word love? Oh, for example, I love cooking spaghetti.
Mm,
Oh, you always put the word love.
she's the I don't understand.
This one is very easy. Oh, look at here. Sample. The subject is I. And then you have to put the word love. This one is verb, playing. And O is object. Okay, so example. I love playing football, or Duke loves playing Lego, or Mom loves shopping in the supermarket. Okay, or something like that. Can you try once again, Duke?
I love playing football.
Okay, what else?
I don't know.
Okay, let's skip this one. Okay, so again, letter B. What does Sue smile, drive, fly, or ride? Okay, so we have question number 1, Duke. What color is the plane?
It's pink.
Okay, very
Right.
good. It's color pink. Okay, next one. How about the motorbike? What is the color of the motorbike?
It's green.
It's
Green.
green. Okay, how about the lorry?
This is yellow.
It's yellow. Okay, next one. How about the bicycle or the bike?
Orange.
Orange. How about the car?
Black. Black.
Yes, it's color black. And how about the helicopter?
Purple.
Okay, purple is the answer. Okay, so next one, Duke. What's green in the picture? Can you name it?
This is motorbike.
This is a motorbike. Okay, how about what is behind the plane?
This is the car.
Okay, that is a car. Very good. Okay, now let's have activity letter C, Duke. How do you come and go? How would you like to come and go? Okay, so let's have here some questions, Duke. How do you come to school? And how do you go home?
This is motorbike.
Okay, so you go to school by riding a motorbike.
Mom, I don't know the driving motorbike.
Okay, but your mom drives you to school in a motorbike, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And then, how do you go home?
It's motorbike.
By motorbike too. Okay, very good. Okay, so now you have to answer like this one, Duke, okay? I go to school by motorbike, okay? Oh, now I will ask you, how do you go to the supermarket?
I go to I go to
Supermarket.
supermarket
Mm.
my place
How
by
do? I go to
supermarket
by
um by what? By what?
by what? How do you go to the supermarket? I'm asking you.
By 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 train.
By? How do you go to the supermarket?
By train.
By train. Okay, and then next one. How do you go to your how do you go to the park?
Park. Go to the park.
How do you go to the park?
I go to the park.
Mm-hmm. How do you go there?
Um, this Saturday.
And then how do you go there? Do you go there by train, by car?
By car. By car.
Okay, by car. Okay, so now next question, Duke. Where do you walk?
Mm. Mm. I work. Uh, 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 I work. I work.
Where
I
do you
work
walk?
a park.
Okay, you walk in the park. Okay. What would you like to do, Duke?
Huh?
What would you like to do?
I like white.
You like to ride. Okay, and then what else do you like to do?
I like cooks.
You like to cook?
Yes.
You know how to cook?
Yeah.
Wow, really?
I cook rice and egg.
Wow, you cook rice and egg. Very good. Okay. Okay, so now, Duke, let's have activity letter C. How do you come and go? How would you like to come and go? Okay, so the answer must be like this, okay? I'd like to plus verb. Example, what would you like to drive? Okay, I will give you an example. I'd like to.
I like to bike.
I'd like to drive
Bike.
a bike. Okay, very good. Next one, what would you like to fly?
Plane.
Okay. So you like to fly a plane. So you wanted to be a pilot, Duke?
No.
I know. But you want to fly a plane.
No.
Okay. Next one, what would you like to ride?
Mm, Bike.
A bike, okay. I'd like to ride a bike, okay. So
I
now,
don't-
Duke,
Don't write writing motorbike.
you don't know how to ride a motorbike. Yeah, because that's for adults. It's for big boys and big girls. Okay, okay. Now, Duke, let's have activity letter D. Listen and color the smiles. Okay, so what is Sue's surname?
Surname? I
Yeah.
don't know.
Sue's surname is Smile. You forgot? Sue Smile is her name, okay? So again, what is her surname?
Huh?
What is the surname of Sue?
No. Yes. She smile.
Okay, it's Smile. Can you find the 7 smiles in the picture? Oh, can you tell it to me?
Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay.
Oh, it must be 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 7.
Okay, very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, there are 7 smiles in the picture. Okay, so your answers are all correct. Okay, so now let's have letter E activity. Read this. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. Okay. All right, so Duke. Okay, choose your answer from the pictures. Street, door, cow, man, houses, bags, lorries, and hand. Okay? I'll start
I
reading
am
the
8
cards.
long. I am in the street. A woman or a man drive me. You can see me between cars, bikes, or lorries.
Bikes or?
Lorries.
Okay.
My children sit in me. They put their bags on my floor. I stop next to the children. Door.
Again,
And next to
children's?
door.
No. Choose another answer.
Children's house.
Okay.
And next to the the school playground. My door opens and closes. What am I? I am a school bus.
Yes, very good. 5 points. Oh, this one must be houses, but you said a while ago it's a door, okay? But anyway, you are correct. Okay, okay. Okay, now, Duke, let's have letter F. Let's talk about the picture. Okay, now, Duke, can you tell me something about the picture? Where are they? What are they doing?
On the photo of the picture has 4 people.
Okay,
The
there.
The man is riding the bike. The bird is sit down the boat. The children is ride the bike. The boy is playing the truck and lorry. This woman have one half green and sits down the boat. This fish and swim in the sea. And the bags have very many food.
Mm-hmm.
Food. Okay.
Okay, is that all?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. So where are the houses, Duke? Can you see it in the picture? Where it's?
House is behind the car.
Yes, it's behind the car. How about the food? Where's the food?
In the basket.
In the basket. Okay, that is correct. What's this? What color is it?
It's a fish.
Mm-hmm.
It is yellow.
Okay, it's color yellow. So do you eat the fish?
White.
Do you eat fish, Duke?
Yes.
Okay, it's very delicious. Okay, how many fishes are there?
Five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's correct. There are 5 fishes in the picture. What is the girl doing?
The girl is riding the bike.
Mm-hmm. The girl is
Riding the bike.
riding the bike?
Riding.
Okay, very good. Riding the bike. What is the boy doing now?
The boy play truck and lorry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the boy is playing a truck or a toy lorry. Okay, very good, Duke. So now let's proceed here. What do you have? Okay, so example, I have a great book to read. Okay, now Duke, you draw a line on your answer before you read it, okay?
I have a new helicopter.
Mm-hmm.
Drive.
To play, okay, that's correct. Next one. How about a funny game? You skip it.
I have a funny game to play.
Okay, next.
I have a new helicopter to ride. I
Okay.
have a clean bike to read.
Mm-hmm.
I have a beautiful car to ride. I have
Okay.
some nice sweet to read.
To read.
To fly.
Some nice sweets to
Fly.
fly. What do you do with the sweets?
Eat. To eat.
Okay, you have to eat it. Very good. Okay, so here are the examples. I have a great book to read. I have a funny game to play. I have a new helicopter to fly. I have a clean bike to ride. I have a beautiful car to drive, and I have some nice sweets to eat. Okay, very good. Duke, 5 points for you. Good job. Okay, so what do we have here? Ah, okay. What would you like to go by? Okay. Oh, the last activity, Duke. What would you like to go by?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know. Do you want to go by school by riding a helicopter?
I don't. I don't.
You don't like? Oh, how about, do you want,
I don't. I can't.
you can't. Okay. Why? Why can't you drive? Or why can't you go to the school by riding a helicopter?
I don't do it.
Yes.
Difficult.
It's very difficult. Okay, that is correct. Because riding a helicopter is not easy. Okay? All right. Well, okay, Duke. So we are finished in tonight's activity and lesson, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to see you again, Duke, on Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good night, Duke.
My teacher.
Okay, see you again.
Yeah. Bye.
Good night, good night.
Good night. Good night, teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you again.
Goodbye, see you, my friend. Goodbye, I had fun today.
Very good. You still remember that song?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so good night now, Duke, and see you again on Wednesday.
Okay, bye.
Good night.